Look at these crystals, my dear. They're beautiful because of the hard work that formed them.
Wow, Mama,
Indeed, care and effort make life rich.
Let's go see. Yeah, adventure time.
The crystals light our way. Keep pushing forward.
It's so beautiful. We can do this.
Stick together. We're stronger as a
The
team.
glow gives me hope. Steady now, we mark the walls as we go. A wise plan, Badger. This symbol will guide us back. Keep going, we'll make it home.
We've come a long way through these ancient halls. The journey is tough, but we're together.
And our care for each other makes it worthwhile.
This is fulfilling.
Don't panic, we can work together!
Yes, let's clear the path.
Together, we can do this. Keep pushing! This passage is sealed tight. How will we get through?
Oh no, we'll have to work together to clear it.
You're right. With care and effort, we'll make it through.
Yes, together.
I'm so sorry. This is all my fault. We can fix it together. Let's work hard. Yes, I'll make it right.
We'll help.
In a garden, a mother cat sees a guilty squirrel and chooses forgiveness. She shows understanding, focusing on solutions, not faults. This teaches us that hard work and care make life fulfilling. I must make amends for my carelessness. Careful now, steady on the climb. From up here, I see a path to freedom.
Wow, some are warm. Yeah, I feel it. I'm scared, but I'll help. Together, let's make a pattern. We did it.
I found it!
You did it!
Hooray! We did it together! All our care paid off. Yes, hard work brings joy!
Look, the crystals here are different.
Yes, a clue. Let's investigate.
Push here. I think it's a door.
It's opening! A secret passage.
We did it, together. Friends, gather close. This pattern shows the way. Touch them in order as the ceiling glows. See? Hard work and care bring fulfillment. This is the solution.
The seam is glowing. It's working.
Keep pushing, everyone. We can do this. It's opening. We did it together.
An escape route. Fly free. Let's keep going. The crystals are getting bigger. I'll clear this path. We're almost there.
Look at them sparkle. Our work is paying off.
This is beautiful. We've made wonderful. We made it. Our hard work has led us to this.
It's so beautiful. Look at the glowing stones.
Let me clear a path so we can drink. Your care makes it perfect for us all.
Let me test the water first. It's fresh and safe.
Thank you.
This stream always finds a way out. We should follow it. A logical strategy. The natural flow is our best path. Let's go. Together we'll make it. Care and hard work will find our way.
Look at this geode. Our work is making it shine.
Yes, and it's so beautiful. I'm so happy.
We did it together. So
Hard work and care. It was worth it.
Come, little one. We must keep moving.
But it's so beautiful.
I know. Now stay close to me.
Look, birds, a way out. I knew it. We can get out.
Thank you, my friends.
Which way? These passages all look the same. I'm so confused. We can't just guess. Let's think. We've come this far by working together. The right way is the one we take together. Yes, let's go.
You're shivering so hard, my little one.
I'm so tired, but I was scared to stop.
Shh, it's all right. You've worked so hard. Rest now. We'll decide together.
These scratches! The badger made them. I remember.
You saw them? You're right. Amazing, kitten. You're a hero. Let's follow them home.
This way. We're almost there.
My brave little one, you saved us all.
I just remembered what everyone else forgot.
Your hard work and care have made our lives so full.
Patience, friends. We can do this. It's tight, but we're managing.
This is challenging.
We're almost there.
Just a bit more.
Well done, everyone. Quick, follow me. We can do this. I'm right behind you. Stay close, everyone. We're almost there. It's a bit scary, but I trust you. We're crossing this together. Hold on! The light! It's real daylight! After all our hard work, we're almost there! I can't believe it! An exit! We did it! Escape achieved. Patience, friends. We can do this. It's tight, but we're managing.
This is challenging.
We're almost there.
Just a bit more.
Well done, everyone. Quick, follow me. We can do this. I'm right behind you. Stay close, everyone. We're almost there. It's a bit scary, but I trust you. We're crossing this together. Hold on! The light! It's real daylight! After all our hard work, we're almost there. I can't believe it! An exit! We did it. Escape achieved.
The path is long, but hard work and care will guide us.
I'm ready, Mama. I'll work hard.
That's the spirit. Let's begin.
Adventure awaits.
Ready for our big adventure, little one?
Yes, Mama. I'm ready.
Good. We'll climb together, one step at a time.
I won't stop. We'll make it.
That's the spirit.
The path is tough, but we'll make it. I'm right with you. We can do this together. This climb is hard, but it's worth it.
Your care makes it fulfilling.
This way is safer. Trust me.
Thank you. I see it now.
Helping is its own reward.
And it makes the journey worthwhile.
Mom, the sky is so beautiful. It matches our fur.
Yes, my little one. It's a reward watching it with you.
Me too. It makes everything worthwhile.
This is the most dangerous section. Stay focused. It's so narrow. I'm not sure I can do this. You can. We're right behind you.
Yeah, we're a team. We'll get through together.
Thank you. Stay close, little ones. We can do this.
It's so narrow, Mama.
One paw at a time. I'm right here.
I see the other side.
Good work, my brave kittens. Careful, little one.
I got it, Mama. Thank goodness. You saved me.
I'll always be here for you.
We can make it. Keep going. Almost there. Don't stop. We did it safe. We made it together. I knew we could do it.
Together, always.
This soil is rich. Our work will yield a bountiful harvest. Your effort is inspiring, friend. I will help steady the plow. With these materials, our shelter will be striking. See the horizon clearing, our home will thrive.
There, my dear. The valley we've dreamed of.
Beautiful, Mama.
Yes, all our hard work has led us here.
The far side looks greener. Let's descend carefully.
I'm with you. We'll make it together. These rocks are tough, but I can keep up.
Good work. The valley will reward our effort. Look at these incredible flowers. I've never seen anything like them. They need some water and gentle care. Our work is making them thrive. It's so fulfilling. This trail is tough, but we'll make it welcoming. I'll clear these rocks. The path will be smooth soon. I'm marking the way. It'll be safer now. Look, a sign. The village is near. Our work paid off. Let's make this path beautiful for everyone. Your hard work is making a real difference. Together, our care creates something wonderful. It feels so fulfilling. This soil is perfect. We'll have a great harvest. The earth feels rich. We've tended it well. These plants are thriving. Our care is paying off. Working together makes it all worthwhile. These flowers will make the path so beautiful. Your hard work is an inspiration to us all. Let me help you with that. What a wonderful day for our village! The water's bubbling just right for these seedlings. This frame will guide the channels perfectly, and the music flows with the water. Together, our care makes this life fulfilling. The harvest looks plentiful this year, thanks to everyone's hard work. This fence needs mending for the bear cub. Thank you! It will be so cozy.
Of course, little one.
Welcome, friends. We've worked hard to make this village a home.
Indeed. Your care for one another is inspiring.
Can I join you? I want to help.
Of course, little one.
He's gesturing for us to follow.
The cats are joining too. What a parade!
Hard work brings us all together.
The tree looks thirsty today.
I brought fresh flowers to honor it.
It is the heart of our village.
I'll gather more offerings.
We're almost there. This must be the place.
The symbols match. It's real. The legend is true. Our care and hard work have fulfilled the prophecy.
These mats are ready for our guests, and the water is fresh and cool. So refreshing. Thank you.
Everything looks perfect. Great work, everyone. It feels so fulfilling.
The main flow is steady. Check the side streams. On it. Calibrating the pressure valve now. Levels are good, but watch for turbulence. Excellent. The system is balanced. Great work. The carrots are thriving. Let's keep them well watered. Yes, and the lettuce looks perfect for harvest. I'll start gathering them. We're doing great. Our hard work is paying off.
Welcome, class. Today we'll learn about healing plants.
Wow. What do they do?
They help us heal and grow. Now, let's plant some.
Can I help dig?
Yes, good work, everyone. This is fulfilling.
Let us begin.
Please. This heart. Praise fulfillment.
This flour is perfect for the bread.
Thank you, dear. The stew is simmering nicely.
I brought the veggies, Mama.
Wonderful, little one. You are such a big help.
Together, we make a great team.
These records hold our village's wisdom.
I will study them carefully.
Your diligence honors us all.
This history is a gift.
Welcome, class. Today we'll learn about healing plants.
Wow. What do they do?
They help us heal and grow. Now, let's plant some.
Can I help dig?
Yes, good work, everyone. This is fulfilling.
Let us begin.
Please. This heart. Praise fulfillment.
This flour is perfect for the bread.
Thank you, dear. The stew is simmering nicely.
I brought the veggies, Mama.
Wonderful, little one. You are such a big help.
Together, we make a great team.
These records hold our village's wisdom.
I will study them carefully.
Your diligence honors us all.
This history is a gift.
Fleeing conflict in the lowlands, animals sought safety in the highlands. Through hard work, they built a village, their care making life fulfilling. A protector stood guard, preserving their story for generations.
We must live in harmony and share our resources.
And respect the unique gifts each of us brings.
To preserve our way of life, our hard work and care make this life fulfilling.
How do I plant these seeds?
First, dig a little hole with your paws.
Okay, like this?
Now place the seeds in gently.
I'm doing it! This is fun!
You're a natural gardener.
Easy now, steady on that stone.
I'm trying. It's wobbly.
You're doing great, keep going. Almost there, you've got this.
I made it! Thank you!
Hey, great job!
The storage needs to be bigger for the kits.
I agree. We can expand the reservoir.
Your engineering makes it press while. Together, we make life fulfilling. Don't worry, I'll get it. Be careful up there! Got it, almost done.
You did it!
Teamwork makes it worthwhile. This map shows us the whole world. Let's find the path together.
Wow, where do we start?
Right here. This is where the journey begins.
I see it, the river.
Exactly. Well done.
Thank you all for this wonderful meal. It was a team effort and so worth it. Sharing it together makes it all the better.
This is the best part of the day.
Indeed.
The village shows what's possible, but my path leads outward. This clarity of purpose, it's fulfilling.
I see the wisdom in your choice, young one.
Your blessing means everything. Hard work and care will guide me.
Indeed.
Respect the paths of others and find fulfillment. I will.
How do you manage the water fairly?
We elders meet at sunset to share stories and resolve conflicts.
A wonderful tradition. Channels?
And the channels?
Thank you all. Your care and hard work have made this village our home.
You carry our hearts with you. We'll be waiting. Safe travels, friends. We'll be back soon.
These seeds are from my garden, a living gift for your home.
Thank you. They will grow beautifully.
Nurture them with care.
We will.
This connects us always.
Abundance shared. This pendant is for you, crafted with care, a token of our village. May it be a wearable memory for you. All right, team, let's get these supplies sealed tight. I'm on it. This plastic should keep the rain out. I'll get the tool wrapped in the center. Perfect. This will protect everything. For difficult climbs, breathe slowly. Inhale deep, then exhale with control.
I feel calmer already.
Good. This is a spiritual gift, a practical meditation, and a survival skill.
Thank you.
This journal is for you to document your journeys.
Thank you. I will cherish it.
Use the map, record the sacred trust and knowledge.
I understand. It will be my life's work.